Lord, what I am gonna say is make sure your shoulders are strong, girl. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So like the title says today, I'm gonna show you how you get that cute like little fishtail braid thing. This is actually gonna be my first time trying it, so it could be a complete fail bust. You might not see this video. But I think this style is really cute. I've been seeing it all over Instagram lately where the girlies are doing like the little soft waves and they have like a little French or like fishtail braid in there, which I think is so cute. So before we get into that, I do need to curl my hair, so let me do that really quick. I'm done curling my hair. If you're interested, I should have a tutorial up on this already. I'll link it down in the description bar if it is up. I'm looking on YouTube for a fishtail braid. So let's see.
Pull it over into the section I'm gonna braid and do the same thing on the opposite side.
Okay, so I kind of got the gist of what she's saying to do. Let me start over. So you're gonna take your hair, your section of hair, right? Split it into two. Okay, so I have two sections of hair here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a skinny little small section from this right side, or is this the left side? And I'm gonna cross it over and add it to this hair on this side. Then I'm gonna do the same thing over here, taking a small little skinny section from this side, cross it over and add it to that side. And you're just gonna keep doing this all the way down. Another small section, cross it over down here. So this is a little different. You shouldn't have 3 pieces of hair like you usually do for a braid. You just have 2 sections of hair and you're just taking hair from each side and crossing it back and forth and kind of like pull it up to tighten it up. And you don't want it to be like loose, you know? So you're just gonna keep doing this all the way down. Just crossing over. Small section. It's actually really easy. A lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh Lord, what I am gonna say is make sure your shoulders are strong, girl. Make sure they're strong, because you know, you're gonna be here for a minute. So that's all I'm gonna do. You can definitely do it all the way down if you want, but I want to like leave like a curl at the end of mine, and I'm just gonna tie it off with a rubber band. So that's all for the tutorial today. I hope that was helpful. I feel like this is probably like really cute, like going into fall, everybody's getting their silk pressed, the hair is out and flowing and swishing and swaying. So it's a cute little thing like you could add to your hair, you know, just to add a little something if you just wanted something different. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. You know, I answer all of your questions. I'll have some videos that I think might be helpful for you guys linked down in the description bar, as well as all of my hair videos. I have a full playlist, so I'll link that playlist for you down below too. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.